What's up, guys? Good Monday morning.
Happy Monday.
Motivation Monday, guys. Want to get you guys out. Started the week off right. Melissa and I just got done with our run. We're sweating down here in Florida.
Gotta love it.
It is crazy. It is starting off on the summer, so we know it is going to be a hot one. But that's okay. We still are going to have a blast. We're still going to get our exercising done.
Still like to start off Mondays like this.
That's right. We got
and
some
talking to you.
We got some brainstorming in today. We got to listen to a great podcast. We had a great morning, so we want to help you guys start off on the right foot this week. Super excited about what's going on with Flea Market Flipper this week.
Our listing challenge has been going
Listing
strong.
challenge 7 days in, and how did you guys do? Do you guys comment?
We're
Let us know.
10 days in.
10 days?
Yes.
Up 10 days in. But I fell off the wagon over the weekend. We had a busy
So
weekend.
you're 7 days in. You gotta catch up.
Exactly. We had a busy weekend. My daughter's birthday party. We did some stuff. So I fell off the wagon. Don't let that stop you. It's not going to stop me. I'm jumping back on the wagon today, and I'm catching up so I can keep going with this challenge. Guys, you're going to see so many great results with these listing challenges that we do with your business being able to grow. So
Have you been doing it? Let us know in the comments
That's
if
right.
you guys have jumped on. Our group is doing it in our members group. So we have a whole everyday post in there,
Yep.
which is really great. But if you're not in the group, let us know if you've jumped into that.
That's
So,
it. And you guys can do it by yourself, but
Yeah.
just get there, start listing stuff, a single item a day. Just try to start off with that and watch what the results will be for your business. So
Yeah.
it will be amazing. So
And we also kick off Shipping 101 Bootcamp this week.
woohoo! Thursday, guys. Thursday. Melissa put the link below. If you guys have not registered, signed up for that, do not wait, guys. Get in there. Sign up for this. It's going to be an amazing, amazing resource for you guys to be able to utilize. If you guys are selling on Facebook Marketplace, if you're selling on OfferUp or Craigslist, any of those places, you're leaving money on the table without shipping these items, offering these items with shipping, and learning how to ship the right way so you don't have damaged items, so you don't worry about if an item does get damaged, are you going to get your money back? That's what this resource, that's what this boot camp is all about.
5-day intense boot camp, and there will be replays. So if you can't make every live session, that's okay. There'll be replays, and the Facebook group, if you've already jumped in, is opening today. So make sure you look for that link. It'll be in your email later today, so we can get you started in there.
That's right.
So,
All
yeah.
right, guys, Motivation Monday. Get out there, do something today. Take the step. Let us be your sounding board to jump, push you into that next level. Get out of your comfort zone today. Do something that is out of your comfort zone to move your business to that next level. That's what we want to encourage you guys to do, challenge you guys to do today. Take Monday. Monday's a great day to do it. I love doing stuff on Monday.
So
it starts the week.
So let's go get some stuff listed.
All right.
Right.
You guys rock. Have a great week. We will talk to you soon.
Hopefully we'll see you on Thursday
That's
night.
right.
All right.
See ya.
Bye.